afternoon, all of you. Our topic for today is computer inventors and pioneers. So, yung mga taong gumawa ng technologies, mga ka-invento ng computer, ito po yung mga yon. So, sila po yung mga naka-invento ng mga computers. Iba't iba po, no? Mapa-internet, mapa-software, or hardware po yan. So, isa-isayin po natin sila. Meron po tayo si Tim Berners-Lee, Leonard Kleinrock, Charles Babbage, Conrad Suss, Steve Wozniak, Steve Jobs, Ada Lovelace, John Atanasoff, Alan Turing, and Bill Gates. So, si Tim Berners-Lee, pinanganak po siya noong June 8, 1955 sa London, England. Ito po si Tim Berners-Lee. Siya po yung naka-invento ng World Wide Web, which nakikita po natin yun sa URL po natin sa mga web browser na www, na ibig sabihin po is World Wide Web. Ibig sabihin po ng www, pag sinabi po ng www.facebook.com, ibig sabihin po nun, ang naka-access po nun, buong mundo. Kaya world, buong mundo, wide, ibig sabihin po, lahat po tayo, palawak yan. Then the web, para po siyang sapot na kung sino-sino po nakaka-access. Kahit sino po pwede maka-access po ng www. Kaya po naging po siyang www. Purpose of hypertext. Ang purpose po niyan is hypertext for on websites, for on designings. Okay? Create the first website. And siya po yung naka-invento ng World Wide Web na nakagawa ng first na website. The first website was built in at CERN. CERN Lab po yan ha, CERN Lab. By Tim Berners-Lee and put online August 6, 1991. Okay, nilagay niya po noong 1991 yung sa kauna-unahang website na nagawa po niya. Founded the World Wide Web Consortium o tinatawag natin na W3C. Yan. And then, sa HTML naman, pag sinabing HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Okay? Next, si Leonard Kleinrock. Born June 13, 1934 sa New York City. Created the initial idea of ARPANET. Pag sinabing ARPANET, stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. It was the wide area network linking many universities and research centers. Was first to use packet switching and was the beginning of what we consider the internet today. Developed packet switching, a method of distributing data over a network. Okay. Si Leonard Kleinrock, pag sinabi po kasing wide area network, 1. Pag sinabing 1 po yan, ibig sabihin po, para po siyang tumutukoy sa mga networking devices. Okay? Like, for example, ng router, ng switch hub, yan, ng mga ano pa ba? Sa PLDT, yung mga telephone, yan. Yung pag sinabing packet switching naman po, ito po yung from the word packet. Pag sinabing packet, para po siyang bulsa na doon po nakalagay yung pinaka-data ng information na nire-request po natin coming from the internet. Okay? Next, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage was born December 26, 1791 in London, England. Considered a father of computing. The creator of first mechanical computer that began developing in 1822. Invented the developed, but never complete, the difference engine in 1820s and analytical engine. So, ito po yung mga na-invento po niya. Pero hindi mo po siya sabi po dito kasi, the creator of the first mechanical computer that began developing in 1822, invented and developed but never complete. Ibig sabihin po, Ito po yung mga hindi pa po siya nakakompleto. Pero ito po yung mga gawa niya computing device. The difference engine is a mechanical calculator first developed by Charles Babbage in 1822. Ganyan po siya kalaki. Okay? It is capable of computing several sets of numbers and making a hard copies of the results. Due to a lack of funding, he was never able to complete a full-scale functional version of this machine. Ibig sabihin po ng difference engine, ganyan po siya kalaki. Imagine guys, ayun po yung computing machine po dati. Okay? Hindi po natapos ni Charles Babbage po yan dahil po sa kawalan po siya ng pondo. Okay, wala po siyang pera. Wala po siyang masyadong pera, kaya po hindi na po natapos yan. Ganyan po yung kalaki ha. Kumpara po ngayon, nakikita nyo po sila. Kumpara nyo po ngayon is calculator na lang, mas malit pa, pwede mo po siyang ibulsa. Ngayon itong mga to calculating device or calculating machine is almost 1 feet. Okay, 6 feet. Sabihin natin ganun kalaki, yung pinaka-engine na yan. Para sa complete lang device po lang po yan. The analytical engine contain arithmetic logic unit, which na tawag po nating ALU, basic flow control punch cards, and integrated memory, and is the first general purpose computer concept. Unfortunately, because of funding issues, this computer was also never built while Charles Babbage was alive. Yan. Hindi din po natapos tong the analytical engine. Okay, pag sinabing ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Yan. Ginagamit naman siya ng MDAS. Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Okay? Pero may logic po siya. Okay? Next. Konrad Zuse. Born on June 22, 1910 in Berlin, German Empire. Developed the Z1, Z3, and Z4. The first programmer modern computer, making him the father of the computer. Wrote the first algorithmic program language called practicum in 1946. One of the first people to create a commercial computer and computer company. So dito si Konrad Zuse po yung pinaka-father of computers na nakagawa po ng first programmable modern computers. Ibig sabihin po, papasok na po dun yung mga programming language. Siya po yung father of computers. Ano po ba yung Z1? Ito po siya. Yan. Originally named the V1, the Z1 began, developed in 1936 by Germany Konrad Zuse in his parent living room and is considered a first electromechanical binary programmable computer. The Z1 and 64 word memory. Each word contains 22 bits and clock speed of 1 Hz. Pag-calculate po Hz yan. Both programming and output were generated using punch tape with a specific reader. Below is a picture taken in 1937 on the Z1 computer. So ito po siya na nakalagay po sa living room ng isa kanyang mga parents. Yan po siya. The Z1 and had 64 word memory. 64 words lang po yung meron po sa kanya. Okay? Each word contains 22 bits. So bits lang po yan, mabagal lang po siya. Dati ganyan po kabagal. Pero ngayon is almost a gig na po yan. A gig na po tayo ngayon. Okay? Next, Steve Wozniak. Born August 11, 1950. Saan po? Sa Sunnyvale, California. Created the Apple I in 1976, which was first Apple computer. Co-founder and former CEO of Apple Company. Yan, si Steve Wozniak. Kasama niya po si Steve Jobs. So, ito po yung develop niya, nagawa niya, na-create niya. Ito po yung Apple One. Napapansin niyo po, bite into an apple, $666.66. Okay? This includes is 4,000 bytes of RAM. The Apple One was the result of development efforts of Steve Wozniak, Steve Jobs, and Ron Wayne. It was developed not in a garage, but in the bedroom of Steve Wozniak's home on 1161 Christ Drive in Los Altos. Ano po siya? Address po yan. The house number was later changed to 2066. Steve Wozniak was built the printed circuit board, while Ron Wayne wrote the Apple One operation manual at his home. Steve Jobs did what he does best, advertising the Apple One to friends and family. Yan, si Steve Wozniak, siya po yung nakagawa po ng Apple One. Okay, nakagawa po siya ng printed circuit board ng Apple One. Si Ron Wayne naman po, siya po yung nakagawa din po ng operational manual ng Apple One. Samantalang po si Steve Jobs, siya po yung nag-endorse or nag-advertise ng Apple One sa mga friends niya, sa mga families niya. Okay, sila pong tatlo ang nakagawa ng Apple One. So, ang tanong ko, bakit yung Apple may kagat? Yan. May history po kasi yan. Yung tatlong yan, magkakaibigan yung magkakaibigan yung mga yan. Si Steve Wozniak, Steve Jobs, and Ron Wayne. Sila po yung mga founder ng Apple na ginawa nila yung Apple One. Sa madaling salita po, nag-away-away po sila, kaya po nagkagat ang Apple. Okay? Kasi ang Apple ay yung sumisimbolo ng pagkakaibigan po nila. So, nagkalamat, kaya meron po siyang kagat. And po yung history ng Apple. Kaya may kagat ang Apple, hindi po kinagat po yan ng kung sino-sino lang. May history po yan. Ulitin ko, si Ron Wayne, si Steve Wozniak, Steve Jobs, sila po ay magkakaibigan. Sa madaling salita, nagkaaway-away po sila. Ang simbolo ng pagkakaibigan po nila ang mansanas. Kaya may kagat po yun, nagkalamat po yung pagkakaibigan po nila dahil sa away po nila. Okay, next. Steve Jobs, born February 24, 1955 at Los Altos, California, USA. Co-founder and former CEO of the Apple Company. Founder of Next Computer, owner of Pixar, member of the board of directors of a Walt Disney Company in 2006, inventor or co-inventor of 342 US patent relating to computers and portable devices. Spearheaded the advent of the iPads, iPhones, and iPad while CEO of Apple Company. So, yan Steve Jobs. Ito po siya. Ito po yan. Siya po yung co-founder po din po ng Apple. So, marami na po silang pinapatayo din na negosyo. May isa na po sila sa mga malalaking tao ngayon dito. Or, sila po yung pinakamayaman na rin po. Si Adam Lovelace, born December 10, 1815 in London. She is created as being the world's first computer programmer, developed the first algorithm to be processed by a machine, helps church publish with a letter. Yan, si Lovelace, siya po yung pinakaunahang programmer. Okay, siya po siya ay isang babae na programmer. Words. Big sabihin, words. Big sabihin, buong mundo, siya po yung pinakaunahang programmer. Natinulugan niyo po si Babbage na gumawa ng analytical engine. Okay? Next. Jan Atanasoff. Pinanganak po siya noong October 4, 1903, Hamilton, New York. Inventor of the first digital computer. The Atanasoff-Berry computer or tinatawag nating ABC. The computer was first conceived in 1937 and first tested in 1942. Yan. Yan po si Jan Atanasoff. Siya po yung gumawa ng Atanasoff-Berry computer. Okay. Next. Alan Turing. Alan Turing, pinanganak din po siya, born in June 23, 1912 in Maida Vale, London, England, United Kingdom. English mathematician, logician, cryptanalyst, and computer scientist who is considered to be the father of the computer science. Developed the Turing machine in 1936. Developed the Turing test. Since 1966, the Turing Award was being given annually by the Association for Computing Machinery to a person for a technical contribution to the company computing community. It is the widely considered to be the computing world's higher honor, equivalent to the Nobel Prize. Yan. Si Alan Turing, siya po yung gumawa ng Turing test, ay Turing machine. Okay, siya po siyang logician, cryptanalyst, mathematician, and scientist. Okay, sa computer lang po siya. Bill Gates, yan. Sino nakakilala ka Bill Gates? Siya hindi po yung pinakamayaman din po. Isa po sa pinakamayaman dito sa buong mundo. Bill Gates, co-founder and early CEO of Microsoft Company, developed Altar Basic for the MIT's Altar that later develops in Microsoft Basic, helps in the development of Microsoft earlier programs such as MS-DOS. Yes, Bill Gates, alam niyo na po siguro yung mga operating system po natin na sila po yung gumawa ng Microsoft Office. Sila din po yung gumawa ng Microsoft Office. Sila po yung Microsoft Corporation. Yan, CEO po siya. Okay, next. Okay. So, ayun po yung mga pioneers na inventors ng mga technology po natin. So, dito po, pwedeng ko po yung mga inventors. Tim Berners-Lee, Leonard Kleinrock, Charles Babbage, Konrad Zuse, Steve Wozniak, Steve Jobs, Ada Lovelace, Jan Atanasoff, Alan Turing, Bill Gates. Okay, sila po yung mga inventors and pioneers of the computer technology. Okay? So, ang activity na gagawin po nyo dito, yan, itong mga to, yung mga inventors na yan, paki-drawing po sila. Paki-drawing din, isasubmit nyo po dito sa activity number 4. That's number 4. Nalagay nyo dito. Pag natapos nyo na po napanood ko, mag-please na rin po kayo. Okay? Okay, yun lang po. Yung drawing po yung drawing, lagay nyo po dito sa activity number 4. Okay, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Thank you.